Using any of those advanced erosion systems and filters in World Creator, you get a pretty nice erosion for your entire terrain. But whenever you move in for a closer distance, you can see that you have these sort of bumps, which might be sometimes be interesting or wanted, but in most cases, like for game maps, they're really not really wanted at all. So to get rid of them, add a smooth filter, but make sure to add that at the first here in the pipeline. So if you enable the smooth filter, getting rid of those typical bumps on your terrain, and it looks instantly like this. And even if you go up to a higher resolution, like for instance a 4K map, they look pretty amazing. And this lets you control a lot about the erosions and all. So for example, you could add more detail, or you can make them a bit more like this. You have full control over everything. So this is a perfect way using the smooth filter to create amazing erosions with a perfect terrain shape. That's it.